In this video, we are going to learn about solving addition and subtraction problems thinking algebraically. So all that means is that in this lesson, we are going to be finding the missing or unknown value. So let's look at example number 1 and see how we might go about doing this. So in example number 1, it says that we have 3,476 plus something equals 9,403. So I need to figure out what that something is. So how could I figure out what it was? Well, if I have stuff and I add more stuff to it and get a total, if I took that total and subtracted what I know that I started with, that should give me what I added to it. So let's try that. Let's see if I do 9,403 and subtract the 3,476, if that will give me what I added, my missing value. So 3 minus 6, I have to borrow, can't borrow from a 0, borrow from the 4. That became a 10, so I can borrow now, and it's a 9, and my 3 becomes a 13. So now I have 13 minus 6 is 7. 9 minus 7 is 2. 3 minus 4, I can't. I have to borrow. So my 9 becomes an 8, and my 3 becomes a 13. Now I have 13 minus 4. 13 minus 4 is 9. 8 minus 3 is 5. So my answer, the missing value, should be 5,927. I can always check my answers by just adding what I was given plus what I think my missing value is and seeing if it gives me that total. So let's try that. Let's see if we got the right answer. So 3,476 plus my answer over here, the 5,927, let's see if that gives us this total. So 6 plus 7 is 13, carry the 1, 8, 10, carry a 1, 14, and 9, 9,403. Yep, these are the same, so I know this was my missing value. My missing value was 5,927. So now I would like you to pause the video and do practice number 1 on your own. Okay, let's see how we did. This one says that I had 5,917 and I added something to it to get 8,430. So if I take my total, my end number, and subtract my starting value, that will give me my missing value. Okay, I have to borrow. So 2, that makes it a 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. I have to borrow again. 7. 4 would become a 14. 14 minus 9 is 5, and 7 minus 5 is 2. So we should have gotten 2,513 is my answer. Again, you can always check your answers on these ones because 5,917 plus the missing value I found of 2,513 should add up to my 8,430. Carry 3, 14, carry 8. Yep, it adds up. So I know I have the correct answer. Now let's look at example number 2. Example number 2. My missing value is the first thing. So this one says I have some value and I take something away from it to get a total. So if I had something and take away to get a total, to figure out my missing piece, I can just add in what I took away to get my original number. So if I take my end number and I add to it the part I took away, that will get me back to my original number. So 9 plus 1 is 10, 1 plus 2, 3, 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12. So 12,930 should be my original number that I took away. And again, just like the previous problem, and example, we can just take the answer I get and subtract the number that I had and see if it does give me this total. So let's check and see if we got the right answer. So 12,930, if I take away the 3,421 from that, it should give me 9,509. So I have a 0, I'm going to have to borrow 3, that becomes a 10. 10 minus 1 is 9, 2 minus 2 is 0, 9 minus 4 is 5. Don't have enough, have to borrow. Comes 8, 12. So 12 minus 3 is 9. Yep, it gave me the same. So my missing value was 12,930. Again, please pause the video and try practice number 2 on your own. Okay, let's see how you did. So again, I had something subtracted to give me a total, so if I take my total and add back the subtracted part, it should give me what I started with. So 6 plus 8 is 14, 1 plus 7 is 8, 3 plus 2 is 5, 9 plus 1 is 10. So 10,584 was your answer. Those are all your examples. If you would like additional practice at solving these, please see the Solving Addition and Subtraction Problems Algebraically Additional Practice Part 2 of 2 video.